Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Wednesday the 19th of October 2016 and we're briefly commenting on China's GDP figures for the third quarter announced today. China's economy maintained a solid rate of growth in the third quarter, helped by a government stimulus program and a property boom. Gross domestic product expanded 6.7% year-on-year in the July to August period, in line with analyst expectations and matching the pace of growth recorded in the previous two quarters. The figure falls within Beijing's growth target of 6.5% to 7% for the calendar year. China's National Bureau of Statistics said that China's economy had performed, quote, better than expected, unquote, in 2016, despite a slowdown in exports. Growth was helped by a 7.1% increase in real estate investment and a 7.6% increase in services. Analysts, however, fear that China's property market may be overheating and have also expressed concern over Beijing's high debt levels. The government released guidelines last week for reducing debt, yet past pledges have often been ignored as rampant credit growth fuels surging house prices in the nation's largest cities. Retail sales gains of 6.1% outpaced the rise in industrial production, whilst investment spending continues to be led by the public sector. State firms achieved a 21.1% jump in investment, while private investment advanced 2.5%. The fiscal deficit doubled in September to 861 billion yuan, the equivalent of $128 billion, from a month earlier, as the government moved to support growth. Julian Evans-Pritchard, an economist at Capital Economics in Singapore, stated, quote, economic activity seems to be holding up reasonably well, with few signs that a renewed slowdown is just around the corner. Nonetheless, the recent recovery is ultimately on borrowed time, given that it has been driven in large part by faster credit growth and a property market boom, both of which policymakers are now working to rein in, unquote. So there we have it. China is on track to achieve its annual growth forecast despite concerns of an overheating economy. As we pointed out in our last video, China, India and a number of developing countries may just keep the world's economy out of complete recession. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated daily, can be found at facebook.com/illuminatisilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.